By the end of this video, you will know how to retip and replace damaged prongs. Materials you will need: jewelry with prongs, wire stock that matches your piece, easy or repair solder, soldering equipment, saving solution, a needle file, rubber wheels, polishing wheels, prong lifters or a flat graver, an ultrasonic cleaner. This diagram shows the difference between a prong that needs a retip and a prong that needs to be replaced. Before we start any type of repair, it's very important that the ring is completely clean. So I will pop it into my ultrasonic. Now we need to prepare the prong tip. Saving solution is 1 part boric acid to 2 parts denatured alcohol. The saving solution will burn with a greenish flame. When the metal melts into a ball, I take my flame off of it and gently smush the ball flat. I'm basically creating a sandwich with the thinning prong as the base, easy solder in the middle, and the new tip on top. Now with soldering tweezers, I will hold the wire, make sure it's fluxed, and place it onto the soldered area.